Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share some amazing and stylish spring water decoration ideas. So viewers, let's start. Today's video, friends. Today we are creating a beautiful spring vase. Spring is a season of freshness, color, and new begins. Our handmade vase brings life, joy, and warmth to your home. It is perfect for your doors, wall, or as a centerpiece for your table. To start, choose a base for your vase. It can be a foam, rings, vase, or even a wire circle. The base will hold all your flowers, ribbon decorations. Choose a size that fits your door or walls. Friends, and next are flower trees. Spring flowers like tulip, daisy, rose, or cherry blossom are perfect. You can use fresh flowers, artificial ones for a long-lasting warmth, green like leaves, ones for fun adds debate and natural beauty. Arrange flowers evenly to creative clusters for a more domestic look. Color is important. Is a spring vase, soft pastel like pink, yellow, and white, creative and delicate. Spring feel, the bright color like orange, red, and blue. Viewers, and after adding flowers, include ribbon for both ribbon and charm. Add charm, movement, and softness to your vase. And viewers, tie a large bow at the top button or winds ribbon. Throughout the flowers, you can also add decorative items like small birds, butterfly, Easter eggs for seasonal decoration. And viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for watching my videos. Khuda Hafiz.